Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will crochet a shamrock. As you can see, I've made 4 of them, so let's get started. And for this I'm using a hook of 3.5 mm, and I have a multicolor yarn that I'm using. So I'm going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then I'm going to come here right at the end, pull through, make a slip knot. I'm going to tighten a bit my yarn, and I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then I'm going to make 3 double crochet inside this space here. So I'm going to yarn over, go inside my space, pull through, you can see I have my chain, and I have 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and I'm going to go inside here, pull through and make a slip knot that way. I'm going to chain 1 as like that, make again 3 double crochet, the same space, then going to make slip knot again, then I'm going to chain 1, make 3 double crochet, and come here, going to make a slip knot as so. I'm going to chain 1 again, and come here again, to slip knot again here, so, and make chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You can see this is how it's going to look like at the end. Your yarn can stretch a little bit, but that's fine, that's okay, it's not a big deal. But as you can see, this is how it looks like. And here I have the same one I made, both of them are the same one. I have identical ones, and there's another one over here, the same one, there is no difference. So I'm going to cut my yarn over here, to you can see this is how it looks. We have the same one here, the one I made before and the one I made right now. So if you turn over, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like, and this one, this is how it looks like. So they are all the same. So I hope you like my video, and see you soon. Till in my next video, please like, share and subscribe till my new video. Bye bye, see you soon.